Hey everyone, Tanner Bell here. In today's DIY video, we're going to create this awesome firecracker tie-dye design. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it, so stay tuned. To jump into today's project, what we're going to do is we're going to fold our shirt accordion style. This is going to give you the best tie-dye possible for our firecracker design. What you want to do is take your shirt and then just fold it back and forth in a tie-dye pattern, in an accordion style pattern, and then get that last sleeve, and now it is accordion style. So now you want to open up your tie-dye kit, and inside you'll find that you have gloves, you have everything you need, including rubber bands. So now you want to grab 2 rubber bands and section off your shirt into 3 sections. The top is where we're going to add our red, we're going to leave the middle alone, and then we're going to add the blue at our bottom. So you just want to add your rubber band, and then the tighter your rubber bands are, the better your tie-dye will end. So now for our top, we're going to add it right under the arm sleeves. Now that your shirt's sectioned off, what we're going to do is we're going to prepare our tie-dye. You want to grab your kit and pull out the blue and red colors. Now we're going to open the lid here and add our water. You want to fill to this nice black fill line, and then you'll add your lid back and shake it until all of the dye is dissolved. Just like this. Now you're going to want to repeat the same process to your red dye. And now you're going to shake that. Be sure to look at the bottom and make sure all this dye right here has been dissolved. So now set your tie-dye to the side, and what we're going to do is we're going to dunk our shirt in a bucket of water, and then we're going to wring it out. So just dump this in water, and then get all the excess out. We just want a nice damp shirt. Now we're going to set our bucket to the side, and what we're going to do is take our shirt, just like this, and we're going to now put on our gloves and start dyeing. So now you grab your red dye and open the lid. So you want to apply dye right down to the rubber band. You do not want to go past the rubber band for the red effect. This is going to give the best firecracker possible. If you have a wire rack, it is awesome to tie-dye onto it because that means there's no dye sitting at the bottom. I want to make sure that there's dye all over our white t-shirt today. I do not want too much white splotches. So as you can see here, I added dye right down to here. As we let our shirt sit, it'll nicely dye down a little bit and give a nice effect. So that's why we didn't have to go all the way to the rubber band, because it'll do it itself. So now we're going to set our red dye to the side and grab our blue. Now we're going to leave our middle alone. Be sure to not let any dye get to the middle area, but we're now going to dye the bottom blue. So you want to repeat the same process to this like we did with the red. Now you want to grab some cling wrap or a plastic bag and wrap it up. Now you're going to let this sit for 6 to 8 hours, and then you want to wash it out in a sink until the water runs clear. What did you guys think of today's DIY? I love this tie-dye project, and I know you're going to too. If you enjoyed today's project, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for new DIY videos, and as always, check us out at the links below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!